What's up, you guys? Are you just starting out on your channel? Did you get all excited in the first week and then you filmed 5 videos, edited them, and put them all out in this same week just to get an average watch time of 3 minutes and 2 subscribers? When you feel like your videos suck so much that even you can't stand to watch them? When you feel like you're so far behind, when you're still learning how to hashtag in 2018 and you need a time machine to slap yourself out of 2010 and into this age of social media? How do you stay motivated to film good content for your channel? Just when you feel like giving up and saying, fuck this shit, and continue working for minimum wage, which is still more than what you'll be getting from your YouTube revenue, which for small channels like me is 0. I'm speaking from experience, guys. If you're wondering what the damn hell you're doing with your life and you just want to delete your channel, hold up. Just remember, it's not the end of the world. Take a deep breath. Well, I'm actually out of breath. Just back up a bit. Here are 4 things for you to remember when you're trying to stay motivated to film, and not just content, but good content for your channel. I'm still learning, guys. I mean, I probably only put out like 5 videos in the last week and I'm still trying to get there, you know. Number 1, watch your favorite YouTubers' first videos. Their very first ever videos, guys. You remember your first video, probably wasn't even that long ago. You don't even feel like you want to watch it. When you're starting out from absolute 0, it actually helps to have a goal. For some of you, it'll be bigger influencers on YouTube that you want to be like, that you want to strive to be like. But they weren't like that when they first started. They didn't have the big fancy lighting and the expensive cameras and the sparkly glittery backdrops when they first started their channel. They were probably like me, standing in the absolute corner of the room trying to catch the best light that they can and having their camera propped up on a stack of books. I'm telling you, watch their first videos and remember that everyone started from somewhere. Remember that everyone was awkward, shy, unconfident. You know what? Sometimes even cringy, and didn't have a lot of anything really to work with, just themselves and something to film with. Remember that everyone started from somewhere, so don't set so much pressure on yourself to have that perfect video or that perfect audio or that perfect background, and just start somewhere. And to have your first video up, that's an achievement. Number 2, remember why you started your channel. What was it that motivated you in the first place to pick up your camera, press record, and make your first video? Maybe it was an outlet, maybe it was an escape from the day-to-day humdrum of life. Maybe you're just a naturally creative person and you needed an outlet to express yourself, to express that creativity. Maybe you even want to make it a lucrative and full-time job and earn lots of money. And get lots of PR and actually film a concert tour. Whatever the reason was, it was there for a purpose. So go back and remember that emotion, what it was that got you started in the first place. Number 3, set small attainable goals. I'm not encouraging you to underachieve, but what I'm saying is you need to set small, realistic, attainable goals so as not to get yourself stressed under the pressure, because stress is the #1 cause of unmotivation. Maybe it's a goal like this time next year I will have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which will then mean I can monetize my channel. That goal, based on the research that you see out there on YouTube where smaller channels have been able to achieve that in a year, it's attainable, which means you can do it too. And just be prepared to put in the hard work and determination. Just remember that good things never happen overnight.
Except maybe winning the lottery.
That's happened to you? Comment down below.
I want to know your secret.
Number 4, write down all your ideas. Write them all down, no matter how small or insignificant you think they might be. Your ideas might seem silly or dumb, or you feel like, who the hell's gonna watch that? But just do it. When that light bulb moment snaps of that idea, you know it came from somewhere. Write it down, or better yet, just film it right then and there. Just do something, because when you act on a moment of inspiration, the acting on it part then becomes the momentum for your motivation. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that these 4 tips helped you out. I know that they helped me because I'm speaking from absolute experience myself. I'm still at the beginning stages of starting out my own channel, And remembering these tips help me to stay motivated, and hopefully it can help you as well. Because if you're just starting out, we're in the same boat. Remember that you're not alone. There's always someone else out there like you who is trying to make it out on social media. So just remember that you can't force creativity. And as long as you don't put too much pressure on yourself, then you'll be fine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, which is Life as Kikay. Check out my previous videos. I will link them here or here, somewhere on the screen. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Here are five, that's 10.